Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video, I'm excited about sharing my thoughts on this brand. I've wanted to try it forever. I'm going to be talking about the Inoar Afro Vegan hair products. I have with me the shampoo and the curl activator, and the hype's real. Let me start the video off by saying the hype is real. But before we get into my thoughts, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Before we get into this video, and you're only going to see the application and the results for the curl activator. This brand is expensive. I am not even gonna, sugarcoat it. It's expensive. They did send it to me for free, so thank you so much. I think the brand is pronounced as Inoar. That's how I would say it. I'm not sure if it's Inoar. I really don't know. But I've seen this brand around for a very, very long time. And I'm thankful that they reached out to me and they did send me this. This video is not sponsored. I know so many of you want to know, like, what's the tea on this particular brand. So I'm spilling all of it today. If you go on their website, it is a salon quality product. It's very expensive. But is it worth it? Yes, I said it. It's worth it. But let's get into this video, guys. Let me spill all of the tea on this product from Inoar. So I'll start off with the shampoo. I love the packaging. The packaging is the same. I just have these two products. They're the only ones that I've tried. I love the packaging. I love the fact that I see Afro Vegan. Just seeing Afro Vegan on the packaging intrigued me. It really did. But this is 100% vegan. It contains castor oil and shea butter. This is for all hair types. It's for wavy, curly, frizzy, and afro hair from 4A to 4C. So 4A, 4B, 4C, it's for all of us. So the shampoo was very nice, very much salon quality. Left my hair soft, went on really, really nicely, gave a good cleanse. I'm happy. I didn't record using the shampoo, but I have been using the shampoo off camera and I absolutely love it. So the shampoo doesn't strip your hair, gives a very nice clean. If you're following my channel, I'm very much a shampoo kind of girl. So this is perfect for me. Moving on to the curl activator, I'll now put in some footage of me applying the curl activator. Contains the same ingredients, castor oil, shea butter, also for all hair types, wavies, curlies, coilies for A, B, and C, 100% vegan as well. Before me getting into this, let me tell you something I don't like, because I like almost everything. But something I don't like about this is the one part of the packaging. If you're following my channel, there's a pump. I don't care for pumps. Also, sometimes the pumps don't work properly. So for the curl activator, I just had to open it up. I've got a whole lot of hair. Pump can be a little bit annoying for me personally. It looks nice, but not very practical for me on my wash day. Both the products smell the same. I didn't tell you guys about the smell. Very sweet, very, very sweet, but it smells nice as well. Both the products are white and creamy, nice and thick. Also the shampoo rinsed out, amazing. Like, it just came out so nicely. I didn't have to rinse my hair for very long. The experience was just like, I enjoyed it. But back to the curl activator, you don't need to use a lot. This is very, very luxury. And it's been a while since I've used a natural hair product that brings about that luxury feel to it, and that's what this brand actually does. You can apply it in larger sections and it melts into your hair. The curl activator clumps your curls. So if you're somebody who likes your curls clumped, this you're gonna love. If I had to buy this brand again, I'll buy the curl activator. I really would. I would splurge on it and I'd use it sparingly. This would definitely be a luxury buy for me. Something I personally would love to have at all times in my hair stash. I'm not a curl activator person. I really think, like, what is the purpose of a curl activator? And then I tried this. but it doesn't activate my curls. What it does is it gives me a level of moisture. And I have it in my hair right now. My hair is so soft. My curls are so soft. It's just an experience, and over and above the experience it delivers, it would be something, and it would be a step I would add into my wash day that no other curl activator I would want to add. Also, like most curl activators, I like to refresh my hair with in the morning, but I like this, guys. I really do. Um, it makes my curls extra soft. My hair is soft, but this brings about an extra layer of softness. Overall, guys, I like the brand, the price point, I get it. I really get it. But if I have to splurge on a product, I'd splurge on the curl activator. I enjoyed it, and overall, very happy. Thank you so much to Inoar for sending me the products. I really appreciate it. And I know a lot of you wanted to hear my thoughts on it, so I hope you found this video helpful. As always, you'll see me again in another video. Bye.